How to check recent activity on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to check recent activity on Android phone. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Settings application. Scroll to the bottom of your screen. Or instead tap on the search bar at top of your screen and type in data and privacy. So as you can see on the list of this section, data and privacy, simply you need to choose data and privacy. Here you need to select your Google account and you will enter on this section where you can easily scroll to the bottom of your screen. Then select My Activity option. So here you can easily find out all the list of your activity. Simply scroll down to view the full list of the actions taken on your phone. If you wish to delete it, you can easily filter by date and product. And then you can delete of last hour, last day or always and custom range as well. So tap on delete and this will delete all the activity on your device of the last three. So or the last hour, and with that you will easily check recent activity on Android phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.